again. Well, not again. If you were just with me on my Kelly & Co page, you saw me doing a huge haul reveal that I had. I got two big orders in from Luminess. So I just did a huge haul video there. So go check it out over there. But I wanted to show you guys, I wanted you to be the first to see what's in the beauty box for this month. It's good for till the end of the month. And your beauty box comes in this pretty box. It says Luminess on the side. And this is the first time opening this, so you get to see it with me. But, okay, why is it not opening? There we go. Okay, so, look how pretty it is. It says hello beautiful, and their packaging is like awesome. So, sorry guys, it's just really exciting. First of all, let's see what this is. I think this is the blush. Oh no, this is Love. So you get Love. This comes with your airbrush, but they send you another one in this kit. And they also send you a blush, because a lot of times people like to mix their blush with Love. And this one is natural. It's hard to tell it's a blush, but this is natural blush and Love. First two things you get in your beauty box. Next is a lipstick, Creme Confession lipstick. This is a regular lipstick. So everything, the title for this box is Get Naked. So everything is a nude type color. So it's natural, it looks good on everyone. My battery's about to go down on my phone, so I kind of gotta hurry. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Okay. So I'll show you, look, ouch. The lip color is called Loyal. So this is Loyal, really pretty. This one is Blushing Jasmine, which is a liquid lipstick. And hey, Suicel, this one is called Prissy, and it's a lip stain. And this one is called Sexy Orchid. Fancy, sorry, Sexy Orchid's a different one. This one's called Fancy, and it's also a lip stain. So you can tell these don't come off. The liquid lipstick does rub, and of course the lipstick's gonna rub off. So next thing is a mini mascara, and this one many people have already seen. I actually don't want to open it, but it's basically this size but in a mascara. So I'm gonna leave that one closed. And then you get a Velvet Veil. This is the big thing, guys. Velvet Veil is a skin perfecting serum. So it's a primer, and it blurs everything on your face, including like fine lines and pores and all that kind of stuff. This stuff's amazing. And this box is worth it just for getting this. Next is you get a whole eyeshadow palette, like a whole thing. I should take a picture of the trash I have. I have all my boxes over here of stuff that I've opened. So there's a Nude palette, and then it has the colors that are in it right there. And I have to tear the box again. I hate having to tear it, but I forgot my scissors. Well, maybe get the... I can hear the cat. She's probably mad that she can't get in here. Oh my gosh, I have so many palettes now. I feel like a palette whore, sorry. So there's the Nude. I'm sorry, but they have the best branding. And then it opens like a book. Oh, it goes up. And there's a mirror. And then look at all the colors you get. Oh, this is like a dream come true. It's so beautiful. And they're all matte, FYI. All the colors in here have no shimmer. Okay. So you guys, I have like you don't, this doesn't come in the kit, but I have this one now, and I have this one, and I have this one. Okay. This is, I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, Glow. You also get Glow, which is kind of like another airbrush type highlighter. And then the fun thing, okay, just an FYI, the Velvet Veil and this Silk and Smooth shaver is worth the price. Like, all you need is these two things, and you're set. You don't even need other, well, I mean, the palette's nice, the lipstick's nice, but the value that you are getting in this box is unheard of, unbelievable. So this is Bye Bye Peach Fuzz, okay? Shave your face. I will go live another time and shave my face, but everybody needs this. This is what it looks like. And it also comes with a replaceable head, blade, whatever. And one of my friends, she wants to order this, but she wanted to see how it was for me first. So it looks really fun, but you can use it anywhere. It says rid excess hair from the face, arms, underarms, bikini, and other areas, leaving your skin soft and baby smooth. Okay, so that's it. That's what's in the beauty box. You get the shaver, the head, makes your face feel like a baby's butt. Yep, smooth as a baby's butt. Trying to find the other stuff I got. Shadow palette. You get Glow, Love, and Natural Blush, all for your airbrush. If you don't have an airbrush yet, you can get this box for 99 cents, you wish. $99, oh my gosh, $99. And then get yourself an airbrush and use a payment plan and pay $30 without the hard case for a payment today, and then make your payments so you can get all this for $130 because you don't get charged shipping because you're over 50. And then you get, that's not the right lipstick, you get Loyal, and is that it? I think that's it. I feel like I missed, oh, Velvet Veil, mini mascara. You get all that. It's like a subscription box, but you get full-size stuff. So anyways, I think that's it. See y'all later. Bye.